regeneration of fertile plants. Fertile plants, they can be regenerated from different parts of the plants, like we have discussed about the callus culture, that is undifferentiated or unorganized mass of cells. So it can be used to generate whole fertile plants. In addition to that, suspension cultures, protoplast, they can also be used. But the most easiest way is to use some part of stems or nodal parts or buds or root tips, even embryos. They can also be used for the regeneration of the fertile plants under in vitro conditions or in the laboratory. When we are going to multiply plants in vitro by using sterile conditions on an appropriate culture medium, then it is very important to keep in view the balance of different phytohormones. Because if we are going to use, for example, the callus culture, then organogenesis, it can be induced. Organogenesis जो है ये एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिससे अनडिफरेंशिएटेड सेल से या किसी प्लांट के पार्ट से जो नए ऑर्गन बन जाते हैं, लाइक रूट बन जाती है या शूट बन जाती है, तो इस प्रोसेस को हम ऑर्गेनोजेनेसिस कहते हैं. And this organogenesis, it is induced when callus culture or other plant material, it is supplied with an adequate and balanced concentration of phytohormones, and especially the hormones like auxins and cytokinins. They are most important. Like if we will use low concentration of these two hormones, then it will result in the production of adventitious shoots, and on the other hand, high concentrations of auxins and cytokinins, it will lead to the production of adventitious roots. So, in both cases, this process, it is called as organogenesis. Again, I will repeat that it is not only the callus that can be used for organogenesis. Organogenesis, it can be induced by using other part of the plants, like stems or leaves, and even the seeds as well. There is another process by which the organogenesis, it can be induced, and it is by the use of somatic embryogenesis. So normally embryos, they are developed from the seeds, and seeds are developed after the process of fertilization. When male and female gametophytes, they meet together, they will fuse after fertilization, and ultimately it will lead to the development of embryos. But the somatic cells under in vitro conditions, they can also be used to induce the embryos that are called as the somatic embryos, in which the somatic cells, they are going to differentiate into embryo-like structure, and this process, it is called as somatic embryogenesis. And those somatic embryos, when we will inoculate it on culture media, it will directly grow into a fertile plant. So variety of technique we can use to induce the organogenesis to produce fertile plants.